Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Heaven's Arrow. I'm so happy that you joined me today. And if you've never been here before and this is your first time, welcome, welcome. And I hope that you like what I have to share with you today. And if so, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a message. I love it when people leave me messages, and my channel is growing, and I love to respond to all the people as they leave messages for me. I'm really enjoying that part of this. It's just absolutely wonderful. But anyway, let's get on to what the plan is. Today is going to be a video on another Toni Brattin wig. Now, I've done 2 Toni Brattins up to this point. Both of them so far I've liked, but as most of you know, for those of you who know me, who have been watching my videos, you know that most of my wigs are longer, either shoulder length or at least to my chin. And this is going to be a very short wig, almost a pixie, maybe a little bit longer than pixie, I don't know. But anyway, it's going to be a short wig, and this particular wig is called Prestigious. It's well, it says on here it's 301 Prestigious, and it's in the regular size. There is another size larger with the cap size that you can get if you want that, but I bought the regular, and the color is light blonde, so this will be interesting. I'm not comfortable with really short hair. My own hair being thin, when it's short, it just doesn't look right. So if this looks good, this will be great. So now, Toni Brattin is from QV. The Toni Brattin wigs that I purchase are all on QVC, and one of the reasons that I like to purchase her wigs there is due to I can get them on 5 easy payments or 3 easy payments. And especially in this day and these times when money is tight, and it just makes it a little bit more affordable when you can do that. Now, I'm not affiliated with QVC. I've just been shopping them for a long time. But anyway, I just thought I'd bring that up because that's why I get it, because I can spread my payments out and get something that I really want. So, one of the things that you get in the package, well, first of all, you don't really get you don't get a box. They come in plastic, and with the box like around the outside, and it gives you a really nice brochure inside. On the back, it gives you all the instructions on how to put your wig on, and how to put your hair underneath. And then on the inside, it also gives you some more information. And one of the tips that I really like of hers that I like is the fact that she's very much, when you try on a new wig for the very first time, a lot of times we feel very awkward when we put them on. And let me tell you, when I first started putting wigs on, I was like, oh boy, this is a train wreck. But I kind of took, take her advice. When you put a wig on, leave it on, futz with it, comb it around, take your fingers and muss it up. Move it around your head, move it back a little bit, making sure that you get with your hairline, and wear it. Try it with different things. Try it, make sure you've got some nice earrings or any earrings on. Dress it up a little bit with a necklace. I don't have a necklace today. I should have, but I don't. And, try anything like that. That is such a help when you're trying a wig on for the very first time. It really is helpful. And so I paid, I believe, $74.50 for her on sale. It's a special. So I'm not sure what it runs now, but with 5 easy payments. If that is not the correct price. I will correct it right here and let you know what it actually cost. But I believe that was approximately the price that I paid. And I'm going to take her out of the box here. I'm taking all the paper off. I'm taking the cardboard out. Paper's off. Alright, and last but not least, all this netting. Okay, here she is. Again, she's a light blonde. And look at that. Look at this. I mean, she is so, this is really, wow. This is just looks like perfect clean hair. You know? It's not shiny. It doesn't look fake. This is very real looking. This looks like real, oh my goodness, real hair. Pretty, pretty, pretty. But it seems tiny, doesn't it? for someone who doesn't wear short hair. Oh goodness. All right, well anyway, let's take a look. So up here, we've got the rooting. That's really pretty. The rooting is really nice. Very lovely. And you can pretty much move it wherever you want. You can change direction with the hair. So you can kind of move things around as you choose. And it's got a little bit of it's kind of like a 3-inch, I don't know, this is the back right here. If you look at it on the inside, it's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, it seems like, down there, at least 1.5 inches below the net. So underneath, here we go. We got across the bangs, there is a velvet piece across the front that usually is help for gripping of the wig. And here is the lace top, and very open whelping. That's what makes it very lightweight. And of course it is rooted all the way through the whole thing. If you look at the back underneath, you see the rooting goes for the whole head. All right, so it's got the ear tabs here, and it's got the pull straps in the back for tightening and loosening. So yeah, so there it is. So let's get this thing on and see how it looks on me. Kind of excited. I love the color. I always love rooting because I think rooting is so pretty. And it does seem to have it seems like it's got a couple of colors in it, but I think it's just the rooting that makes it look that way. It's really lovely. Okay, let's get it on. I'll wiggle it on in the back. It's my easy throw on piece, and away I go. All right, so let's see here. It's gonna have this strap on it, so please don't worry about that piece. You see that hanging down back. Okay, here we go. Pull this thing down. All right, let's get the tabs at the proper areas for the ear. Pull it back a little bit. I have to put it back quite a bit because I have a high forehead. There it is. Let's get my ears out. Now, this isn't perfection because I don't have my hair tucked in is the way I should probably, but oh, let's see here. If I have anything sticking out. Hopefully not. I will down here because I have hair down here on my neck. I gotta learn to shave that off, but most of my wigs are really long, so you don't see that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that, look at how that moves so nice. Wow. I like the bangs. Bangs are the perfect, actually they're kind of like the perfect length. I like them just so that they're almost going to hang in my eyes. I can just brush them out. Look at that. I'm just going to move this way. I can, the bangs. I can move the bangs to the side if I want. I like how this is cut. So I can pull that forward. That's cute. It feels like it's the right, it feels okay. It feels like it fits good. I think, you know, I don't know if I'd want to try a bigger size or not. If I did, I know between the two sizes it wasn't very much. It was like, I want to say a half an inch. I think, but it wasn't that much bigger. So if I felt like I needed just a tad bigger, I guess I would go with that. Oh, this is my real hair sticking out. Get in here. Oh. Wow. I think it's cute. I'm surprised. My real hair is so thin. When you have short hair, there's just not the volume. I mean, this gives you some nice volume. Now, I don't know what it's looking like in the back, so you get to see that before I do. And I always have to futz around with it in the back. Anyway, for most of my wigs. But yeah, I'm surprised. I'm surprised. What do you think? What do you think about it? Let me turn around nice and slow so you can see it. There we go. So there you go. Prestige by Toni Brattin. Another one, another winner, I think. Now if I just got to get myself used to wearing short hair, we'll have to see, right? Thanks for watching. And I want to thank everyone for tuning in. And if you're still here, great. Thanks for watching to the end. I appreciate that. I'm working on some new material. I am not always going to be able to do wigs, nor do I feel like I need that many more. I have enough wigs, and as much as people like watching them, it's not something that I can do all the time. So I'm going to try and fill up my time with other things. Believe it or not, I actually am quite handy, and I do a lot of remodeling things. I'm going to be doing a full garden coming up in the next couple of months. I haven't done a garden in ages, and the pandemic has got me wanting to garden. So I'm going to be creating a garden, and I'm probably going to be videotaping that and adding that to this. And I have other things as well. So I hope that you would join me for the other things that I'm going to be posting. But if you really just love the wigs, great. And I'll be throwing a wig in here every now and again. I will continue to. I'm going to be doing a versus. I have two things, one from Paula Young and one from Toni Brattin, that I'm actually going to be doing a versus. Toni Brattin versus Paula Young. I'm going to be doing that probably in a couple of weeks, and hopefully you'll stop back and check that out. Otherwise, stay tuned. Check out my channel to see some of the new things that I might be doing. I'm not going to be perfect at first when I'm doing them, but hopefully I'll build the content so that you will enjoy it. So again, thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the like button. Anybody can hit the like button and leave me a message. I love the messages and I love to respond to everybody. It's just been so exciting to have been doing this and meeting new people. So thanks again. So in the meantime, until the next time that I see you, please be safe out there and have a beautiful day. Bye now.